Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Welcome and thank you for joining me as we take our transformation journey day by day, thought by thought, and we are doing it together. In a few short minutes a day, we provokingly reflect and challenge ourselves into a different perspective, starting with just one thought. I coined them butterfly thoughts because we need to be reminded transformation comes in stages and can bring about beauty for butterflies and our lives. Today's episode is, did you feel that? That was my butterfly thought today. Did you feel that? It just flew right in. Let me explain. I was at the gym, and the best way that I can explain the morning was I was on autopilot. You know, those mornings, days, or times that you are just doing what needs to be done, how they need to be done, and you only have a few minutes or hours to do a whole lot of things to check them off on our list, whether they're in our mind, or on an actual list. Multitasking the errands of life. I actually think majority of us live like that, and most likely we don't even realize it. So this morning, I did my autopilot motions and got myself to the gym. While I was doing my cardio, I took one deep breath, and while exhaling, that is when it flew in. Did you feel that? And I realized just then that I just had a very deep breath, and in that moment was actually feeling the breath. I actually felt compelled to take another long, deep breath, and with each one, I was truly feeling life. Is that simple? Yes, it is pretty simple, since breathing is simple and automatic and a necessity of life. But how often do we truly feel the breaths, pay attention to them, and know that with each breath we have an extra moment in our lives? Yes, there is a difference between just automatic breathing to keep us alive and being mindful of that breath and feeling alive. Let me say that again. There is a difference between just automatic breathing to keep us alive and being mindful of our breaths and feeling alive. Automatic breathing, the process of taking air into and expelling it from our lungs. Okay, that's the necessity of life. But being mindful of breaths is giving our souls the alive feeling it craves. And yes, we all do crave that. Natural breathing that we don't pay attention to keeps us alive. But I ask you this, would you also like to feel alive? Would you like to feel every mindful breath you take and realize a deeper understanding with it? Being alive is a miracle in its own way. Feeling alive is a blessing beyond words. Food for thought, there really is a difference. How do you breathe? Have a great day, and thank you for joining in today.